how did they start it out? I'm Robo, moving out of a smaller unit warehouse, moved into a bigger unit. After being in a smaller unit for July, about 7 months. Been in a smaller unit for about 7 months. Finally got to move into a new one, man. After the warehouse put me out. No, I'm just playing. They didn't put me out. Or did it? I don't know. But right now we just moving everything from this unit to the next. Organizing inventory, putting everything up, getting everything together. I really think that people need more space. The more you grow, the more space you need. So next is going to be an even bigger warehouse. But the thing is, are we going to be able to get this done by 8 o'clock? Hey, buddy, that was it.
Singing with me.
Riding that rodeo, bitch, you made it from the dirt. Got chokers around my neck, don't need no shirt. The day I signed that dotted line, I broke a curve. They ain't never gave us none, I had to work for this. Pedic on my wrist, gon' make a twerk for this. A lot of niggas didn't make it, they got murked for this.
I said, what you doing? Small first or small first?
I done bust down penny pounds in the kitchen. I can show you how to make a meal, pay attention. Made my first 6 figures when I stopped penny pinching. All these bitches in my mention. We was broke as fuck, now me and my bitch like the ball. Beamer, Benz, or Bentley, bitch, you know we had them all. Had to cut my partner off because he think it's small. You never lose a woman chasing money, they gon' call. I told my auntie, go ahead and do my taxes. I gotta make a beat playing Calabasas. Got 20,000 in my car, heart khakis. My time coming back around, bitch, I'm taxing. Riding that rodeo, bitch, we made it from the dirt. Got chokers around my neck, don't need no shirt. The day I signed that dotted line, I broke a curve. They ain't never gave us none, I had to work for this. Pedic on my wrist, gon' make a twerk for this. A lot of niggas didn't make it, they got murked for this. Remember all them nights my stomach used to hurt for this. I work for this.
Take this ladder out. I need to pay. I don't know. I need to find a team. I need to make a team. I want to work on this new one. Team. I don't need to be here doing this shit, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. This shit is taking. This shit is taking days. One person. If I just had one person, but I got 2. This is just my. This is big.
On my wrist, gon' make a twerk for this. A lot of niggas didn't make it, they got murked for this. Remember all them nights my stomach used to hurt for this. I work for this. From rags to riches, I done bust down penny pounds in the kitchen. I can show you how to make a meal, pay attention. Made my first 6 figures when I stopped penny pinching. All these bitches in my mention.
Right next to me, hoodie. Zan, you grabbed all the cream in your hoodies. Should I have put a question mark in the end? She said if I asking her.
I didn't hear you. That way.
My bad.
I haven't grabbed it.
Yeah.
Bro, this
Yeah, it is. I have an actual product too. You got t-shirts, nigga. If I had t-shirts, we would have been done by now.
I ain't lie, this is the boxes we've been done by now too.
Probably would have been done, you're right.
It's not though, it's what it is.
You think we're gonna finish this shit today?
Riding that rodeo, bitch, we made it from the dirt. Got chokers around my neck, don't need no shirt. The day I signed that dotted line, I broke a curve. They ain't never gave us none, I had to work for this. Pedic on my wrist, gon' make a twerk for this. A lot of niggas didn't make it, they got murked for this. Remember all them nights my stomach used to hurt for this. I work for this. From rags to riches, I done bust down penny pounds in the kitchen. I can show you how to make a meal, pay attention. Made my first 6 figures when I stopped penny pinching. All these bitches in my mention. We
day 2. Time to go finish up the warehouse, man. I think my assistant might have finished almost everything by now, so we'll see what's left for us to do.
Bitch, I'm taxing, riding that rodeo, bitch, we made it from the dirt. Got chokers around my neck, don't need no shirt. The day I signed that dotted line, I broke a curve. They ain't never gave us none, I had to work for this. Pedic on my wrist, gon' make a twerk for this. A lot of niggas didn't make it, they got murked for this. Remember all them nights my stomach used to hurt for this. Bitch, I work for this. Girl, you know you bad, bad, bad to the bone. I met you.
That was, you know,
Oh, you going to kill?
yeah. That's hard, that's fresh.
When I get fresh on Friday, bro, I don't really want to hear y'all niggas mouth.
Nah,
This shit gonna be
Friday.
on, nigga.
Yeah, Fun Fridays.
On Friday.
Head to the bone. Shawty, you bad, 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 and you know that. This that, yeah, 20 racks, you can hold that. This that, Michelin Ness, the way you throw it back. That waterfall making a mess when you throw it back. Front row, she the one.
Little boots real quick. What's up, boy? My L, what's up, boy? What you gotta tell the vlog?
Hey, vlog, you know what's going on, man. We at the Forever Hungry, the old warehouse.
Nah, for real.
You know, we at the old headquarters, now we head to the new headquarters.
New
Right next door.
Yeah.
Right next door. Yeah.
Straight like that,
Straight
yeah.
like that.
Nah, for real.
Straight like that.
How you learn how to pocket like that?
Shit, man. Learn from the best.
No, for real. That's right here. Nah, for real. Hey,
No time waiting on businessman right here.
hey, we finna, you know what we finna do? We finna take shirts and moments and get ready to goddamn do the little print thing you doing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get you an automatic heat press. You know the one that you just press the wind and like the one I got. Yeah, we gonna do that. So you ain't got we don't want you to be breaking your back and shit. For real. Oh shit, what's up, Clint? That Dylan right there. How they gonna kick me out of the warehouse? And we got 8 warehouses. That don't make sense. They all under different vending names. I don't get it. They ain't know I had a DBA. They ain't know I had a DBA, cuz.
Hey, I still got this.
Now I'm doing business as Quick Strike Enterprise. Great.
Getting dressed right now for our other business, the rental car business. I gotta go put on 3 tires and change 2 mufflers right now. Show y'all niggas what's going on. Y'all niggas got all these fake ass businesses. We got these real businesses.
We get dirty.
We ain't y'all gonna have no car, nigga.
We get dirty for
We
real.
get dirty for real.
Yeah, I thought everything was clean.
Made my first 6 figures when I stopped penny pinching. All these bitches in my mention. We was broke as fuck, now me and my bitch like the ball. Beamer, Benz, or Bentley, bitch, you know we had them all. Had to cut my partner off because he think it's small. You never lose a woman chasing money, they gon' call. I told my auntie, go ahead and do my taxes. I gotta make a beat playing Calabasas. Got 20,000 in my car, heart khakis. My time coming back around, bitch, I'm taxing. Riding that rodeo, bitch, we made it from the dirt. Got chokers around my neck, don't need no shirt. The day I signed.
It's for TV. Reality show.
Roll on. What? That's my little right there. That ain't y'all. Is that me? Let's go. There you go, nephew. Oh, this your marker?
Then I had to work for this. Pedic on my wrist gon' make a twerk for this. A lot of niggas didn't make it, they got murked for this. Remember?
So the move went great. I'm drained. because I just moved into a new crib at the beginning of the month. So it just feel like I just keep moving, and I'm doing it by myself. Well, with help, but I just hate moving. I ain't never doing it again. It's my last year moving on how I'm moving from now. But with that being said, man, the new room look hard. The old room is what it is. And in the next room, I'm gonna do 500,000 in a month. Seeing it now on video. The room I just got, 500K in a month room. And then next we go our own, I'm sorry, it's 2025. Next we go fulfillment center. We might do it, we're gonna have both, of course, because I be having both now sometimes, just depending on the weather. But next we really going fulfillment center. I might go my own warehouse one day just for the flex side, but I'd rather go fulfillment. I don't know, but I like to get my hands dirty, so I don't know. Guess what? Y'all gonna see, y'all gonna find out. And we out.